Hi, middle school parents. I'm going to walk you through how to access the parent portal for Odysseyware. To get started, you're going to go to the CalPAC logon page, the student and parent logon page. And in the middle, you'll see that there's a parent login option. High school parent login is just for high school students. The one you're going to want to click on is the one that says middle school parent login. This one's going to launch the Odysseyware browser, where you're going to type in your username and password that you created from that email that was sent to you from Odysseyware directly. So go ahead and click on middle school parent login, and you're going to fill in your email address and your password. Hit ready, set, learn. And you'll see that you're brought to the landing page of the parent portal. It should say welcome and your name up here. The very first thing you'll see is the home tab with your students. So if you have more than one child enrolled with us, you'll see all of your children on this tab here. And you can get a snapshot of their progress in their classes. So this activity stream gives you a general overview of how students are doing in their classes. Progress towards completion, again, by the end of the semester, this should be 100%. And their score, their average on the work they've done so far. Now this score does not include zeros for any assignments that they're behind on. So keep that in mind. It's just an average score on the work they've completed so far. And if I scroll down, I can see I have my next student here. So you scroll down, you can see all of the classes they're taking. You can click on a class to get a better idea of how they're doing on that individual assignment. You'll see that we've jumped tabs now to the View Student Assignments. And this gives you a more detailed overview of how your child's performing. So, again, just to show you how I got there, from our home tab here with the activity stream, I can click on any class name to get a more detailed report of how your child's doing on individual assignments. So again, if I click into this class, I can see a breakdown here of the different lessons they've done and their progress on that lesson, the due date, so the date the assignment was due, and the date that the child completed it, and then their score. So this is really helpful for seeing, okay, is my child completing all of their assignments for the week by their due date? What type of grades are they getting? Are they getting passing grades? That type of thing here. And again, at the top, you can see current progress. That's the overall progress in the class. Again, you're working towards 100% here. And the current score, which is an average of the work that's been completed so far. If I want to jump to a different class from this tab, I can choose it from the drop down here. So I can pick a different class here. I can also switch to a different student. If I wanted to look at a different student or a different child of mine, I can switch from here too. You also have the option to print student course assignments if you wanted to print this out for your child or for yourself, just as a way to track what they should be working on every week. You can go to the different pages to see all of the assignments for the entire semester. So again, this is coming from the Home tab. You can either click on the class here or go directly to the View Student Assignments, and you can see their classes here. You pick the class you want to look at, and you can get a more detailed view. Now you might see that some things are hidden in this view. You might see some things that are skipped, and that just means that those are going to be activities done for second semester. And also, if you see any class that has a B at the end, that's a second semester class as well. So you can go ahead and ignore those for now. We're just focusing on our A classes for our students for this first semester. The last tab I wanted to show you is the View Student Courses. And this again just kind of gives you an overview of how your child's doing. So another look at their progress, their score. You can print this out if you want to print this out for your records. And you can again filter by student up here using the drop down. You can't really click on anything here. This is just giving you a progress and score overview, very similar to what you see on the activity stream of the home page. And that's it for using the parent portal in Odysseyware. If you ever get stuck or forgot your password, just let your homeroom teacher know and they will get that reset for you. Have a great day.